Jamaica's World Under-20 double sprint champion Briana Williams has escaped a doping ban for using the banned diuretic hydrochlorothiazide. The independent anti-doping disciplinary panel ruled on Thursday. Simon Preston has the details in this report.
The Kent Gammon chaired a three-member panel ruled on Wednesday that the sprinter will be reprimanded with no period of ineligibility. It came after her two-day anti-doping hearing this week. Williams returned the positive at the Jamaican trials in June and was facing the possibility of a 4-year ban. The teenage sprint sensation, who was represented by Dr. Amir Crone, had pled not guilty in the matter. The independent anti-doping disciplinary panel's decision further stated the IADP is unanimously persuaded to the standard of proof on the evidence presented that the athlete, Miss Briana Williams, was in breach of Article 2.1 of the 2015 anti-doping rules, as she had in her body a specified substance, namely HCTZ. IADP finds that the athlete had established no significant fault or negligence, as she was given tablets by her guardian and had no intention to cheat in her in-competition sprint event on June 21, 2019. The IADP was referred to Article 10.5.11 of the Anti-Doping in Sports Rules, and this is relied on its findings. The IADP recommends that the athlete undergoes another education program on anti-doping in sports rules as soon as JADCO carries out the same. Reacting to the decision, Williams' coach Atta Bolden told TVJ Sports he was relieved that his charge was exonerated based on the evidence presented.
And relieved and pleased for Briana, because I know Briana, I know Briana's heart. And she's gone through a lot in the last month, and I was with her for the lows. I've been with her for the lows and highs of her career. This time last year we were riding a high. She was the two-time World Under-20 champion, and then this year it looked like she was having another fantastic year, but you know, she had to go through this. So I am elated for her.
Bolden, an Olympic and World Championship medalist, also told TVJ Sports that Williams was already packed to get to Doha.
Is that she is the sleeping queen of the planet, and Briana is likely to sleep the entire way on a flight and get here. And the truth is that, you know, as people who travel know, the jet lag maybe doesn't hit you for a day or two. So is Briana going to come here and be at her best? Of course not. She would not be expected to be, given her age and what she's been through in the last month. But if she wants to come and she's earned the right, then I think just on the principle, she should come and she should run.
Up to Sports Time, J3A's president, Dr. Warren Blake, did not respond to phone calls from TVJ for a comment. Technical leader of Jamaica's team in Doha, Donald Quarry, answered his phone but said he was in a meeting when we reached out to him for a comment. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.